طبعا احنا الستاندرد فورم دي على نوعين، الفيري لارج نمبر والفيري سمول نمبر. الفيري لارج نمبر والفيري سمول نمبر. يبقى انت عندك لما يكون الفيري large numbers like 56 and for example I don't know how many zeros, a lot, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 zeros or 13 or 11 zeros. And also you have the very small numbers like 0.00000000018, for example. In either the very large numbers case or the very small numbers case, you're gonna use the standard form. So what is the standard form? You write the number in the form. Shabab, please, you need to write, and after the session, you send me your classwork, okay? You send to me what you wrote in the session, okay? So here, you write A times 10 power n, okay? And n is integer, and A is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 0. Less than 10, I mean. Greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. So you need to write this number in this form. Now let's take example. For example, 5,000. In this case, what is A? A is 5 times 10. You stop at 5 and you count how many zeros do you have? I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 10 power 3. Okay, who can make this one? Ahmed? Huh?
Yes. تبقى 6 by 10 power 4.
6 times 10 power 4. Okay, Layla?
Yes.
Standard form?
7.
7.
By 10 power 4.
See, Layla, you start from here, okay? And then you go to the left, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you stop here. So it's 7.5 times 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, why did we wrote 75 as 7.5?
Yeah, because I need A to be less than 10, not more than 10. So if you wrote it 75, it's more than 10. And if you write only 7, it will not be accurate because it's 7.5, not only 7. Okay?
Yes.
You got it?
Yes, Mr. I got it.
Can you do this? Huh?
It will be 8.15 multiplied by 10 to the power 4.
Yes. You start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you stop here because 8 is less than 10. 8.15 is less than 10 times 10 power 4. Ahmed?
Yes.
Can you do this?
The whole number?
Yes, I need to
Yeah.
make it in standard form.
Okay, just a minute.
Huh?
5.6 by 10 power 12.
10 power cam?
12.
10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excellent. Excellent, ya Ahmed. So, I choose 5.6 because 5.6 is less than 10. Five point six is less than 10. Okay, guys? Type. Think about this number. Here, I need a number less than 10, which is 3 times 10 power. You start from here and you count 1, 2, and khalas. So 3 times 10 power negative 2. Sorry, time negative 3. Because here 1, 2, 3. Because I needed 3, not 0.3. So 3 times 10 power negative 3. And see here also you have 1, 2, 3 places. 1, 2, 3 places. So it's 10 power negative 3. Another example. You write here 4 times 10 power like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power negative 5. And why we put it negative? Because you go from left to right. And the number is decimal, not a whole number. Okay, Layla,
Yes.
can you do this?
Okay. It will be 6.7 multiplied 10 to the power 5.
See, you count with me. 1, 2,
3,
3,
4, 5.
4. And I stop here. Because if you go there, it will be 76. And I need to make it 6.7, yes? Less than 10. Okay?
So, okay, I will stop at this, the 6.
Yep. To make it 6.7. To make it
Okay.
6.7. And here, what is a power?
4.
It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 positive like this or negative?
Negative 4.
Why?
Because we counted from the left to the right and it's not a whole number, it's decimal.
Exactly. Shabab, don't forget to write the notes right after me. Copy. You need to copy. Ahmed?
Yes.
Can you do this?
Okay.
Ah,
10 by 3 by 3.58 by 10 power 5 -5.
1, count with me. 1, 2,
2, 3, 4,
3,
5.
4. I stopped here. I have 4 places.
Oh,
1,
okay.
2, 3, 4. So 10 power -4. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, Shabab, take 3 minutes. Try to do this 3 minutes and send me the answer on WhatsApp. Here, A and B. يا ليلى.
Yes.
Ella, it's better to either to copy the question, then the answer, okay? Or you print out the file and you solve inside the file. So when you study at home, you will see only the answer and then you cannot revise, okay? Because you don't know the question, okay?
Yeah, okay. After each session, I'm printing this file and these files, and I'm solving it, and I'm checking for my answers from the notebook.
Okay. So we need to discuss the answer because we'll see now. Thank you. Okay, Layla, can you do the first one?
I'm not sure, but I think it will be 3.723 multiplied 10 to the power 3.
Yani, we can do it together, no problem. Like I will write here. You write what? 3 point what?
723.
3.723, isn't it? Times 10
to the power 3.
You stopped here, yes? Then you have to count from the right to the left, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay?
Okay, I saw it in this method that we were counting only the zeros. Okay, sorry.
No, you count both of them, the zeros and the digits.
Okay.
Okay, please write the correct one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ahmed? Yeah, Ahmed.
Yes.
Yalla, the next one.
Next one is gone 3.12 by 10 power negative 7.
You stopped here.
Yes.
Then you count all of those, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 power 7 or negative 7?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. Wow, good. Ya salam. Thank you. Shabab, do you know the relationship between the speed, distance, and time? Who knows? You studied in physics. Huh? Who remember the formula?
I didn't take physics.
I'm not
It
sure, but
is.
I guess time.
Huh? Time is distance
Over
over speed. Distance over
speed.
speed. Write the formula. Distance over speed. You see this triangle? If you want to calculate the distance, you multiply the speed by time. If you want to calculate time, you divide distance by speed. Then the distance is here. And the speed is here. Actually, because I said that we don't read the problem. We need to read the problem first. The speed of light is 3 point time 10 power of 9 m per second. The distance from Earth to the moon is 3.844 times 10 power 5 kilometer. Calculate to 3 significant figures the time it takes light from the moon to reach the Earth. يلا use the calculator. So the answer is 1.281333. I don't know, like times 10 power negative 4. Okay, and he said to 3 significant figures. Shabab, you know the significant figures or you forgot it? If you remember it, press 1 in the chat. And you don't remember it. Okay, so at least it will be like this. Because you need 3 significant figures. So inshallah we have a lesson. I will explain to you in details what is the 3 significant figure is. But here you take 3 numbers. Yani. 1, 2, and 3, and 1 doesn't round up, so it will be 1.28 only, and you remove all of this, okay? Okay. Okay, Shabab, I erase this one. Any question? Any questions, Shabab, here?
No.
No, I don't have.
Okay. So today, guys, we have a new thing. It's operations with fractions. You're gonna solve in the exam some problems related to the 4 operations: adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Okay, with both decimals and fractions. Okay, for example, adding fractions. You do like this. You multiply 4 by 5, which is 20, and then make cross product. You multiply 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4. Equals 15 plus 4 over 20 equals 19 over 20. Okay, Shabab? You got it? How to add and how to subtract? Yeah, Shabab, don't use the calculator. If he asks you, find the answer. If you use the calculator, it will be wrong. You have to follow the steps. You have to know that process, how to add and subtract by making a common denominator. Can you do this? ها يلا take 2 minutes كده يلا.
In the subtract, we're going to divide, yeah?
Again?
In the subtraction, we are going to divide.
Divide? What to divide? Do this only. What division do you mean? Which one here you mean?
I mean, instead of the multiplication, can I do division?
No. The same process, like adding and subtracting, the same.
Okay.
بس عندنا مشكلة في الوقت إن هو متأخر، فلو ينفع الوقت يكون بدري عن كده هيبقى أحسن. وكمان مشكلتنا إن إحنا يعني أنا حسيت إن أنا في الأونلاين كنت بنجز أكتر وبخلص حاجات أكتر وكده، بس في الحضور يعني حاسة إن إحنا ماشيين بطيء قوي أو كده، مش عارفة يعني، بس حسيت الأونلاين كنا أسرع في الحل والدروس وكده. بس المشكلة في الوقت وبتاع. مثلا أنا عندي حاجات واقفة معايا في الدروس.
Thank you, Ahmed. Correct answer. And thank you, yeah, Laila. Very good work. Yeah, Ahmed, you use a calculator or?
No, I wrote steps.
Okay, nice, nice. Because in this question in the exam, it will be 2 marks, and 2 marks without steps, you'll take 0. Okay? Okay.
Yes.
So let's do this 1, 2, and 2.5 minus 1 and 2 over 7. First step, convert mixed number convert a mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, step 2, multiply the denominators. Step 3, cross product. Step 4, subtract. Step 5, simplify. So guys, I just made it so easy for you. I just made it so easy for you to find the answer. Like here, you need to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. So what I'm doing is 2 multiplied 2 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. Again يا شباب, يعني you multiply the whole number by the denominator plus the numerator up here. Is it clear? Step 1, how to make it? 1 multiply 7 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9 over 7. Is it okay, Shabab? You know how to do this? Or you can use the calculator, press this button, okay? And you write here 2, you write here 1, you write here 2, and then press equal, it will be 5 over 2. Okay? Now, multiply the denominators, 14, then cross product, 5 multiply 7 minus 2 multiply 9, 35 minus 18 over 14. And here 35 minus 18 is 17 over 14. Now simplify. Use the calculator to simplify it, which is 1 and 3 over 14. 1 and 3 over 14. Okay, Shabab? Is that difficult? Shabab, is that difficult for you?
Oh, no.
Okay. How about multiplying? Is it difficult to multiply 2 fractions? Like in multiplying 2 fractions, you multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. See? You can, first, you need to do this as fraction. So 1 multiply 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 multiply 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Then 3 multiply 16 is 48. And يعني you multiply 3 by 16 and 2 by 5. 3 multiply 6, 18. So 48 over 10 means 4.8. Is it okay? Okay. Can you do letter
Okay.
C? Yalla, take 5 minutes. Do letter C. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you, Layla. Okay, okay. Huh. How about the division? In divide, you use keep, turn, flip to divide fractions. Use keep, turn, flip. Key, T, F. كتف. Like here, divide 6/9, divide by 3/6. You use keep, turn, flip. You keep the first one as it is. Don't change it. Don't change it. And you turn divide into multiply, and you flip this one to 6/3. Then it will be 6. Now it's like normal multiplying. 6 multiply 6/9 multiply 3, 36/27. Now simplify it. You can use the calculator. It will be 1/3. Shabab, you got any problem here, or you understand it? I hope you do.
Yes, I did.
You don't?
I did understand it.
Okay, good, good. But now take 5 minutes to do letter D. Ahmed, you done? Ahmed,
Yes, yes, yes.
okay, yalla. Why it's like this?
What? 16/7.
طب put it in simplest form. Use the calculator, huh?
I put it in the calculator and give me 15/7.
You have this button. It's like this button. See, it's like this. CS and here D. You see this
Give me
button,
2.14.
and you press shift.
Oh,
Then
okay, okay.
this one.
1/3. Okay, okay.
And you make it a mixed number.
Okay, okay.
Okay, thank you. Guys, we have order of operation. Order of operation. An order of operation is very important also, and it is PEMDAS. PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? And also it's like,
if we saw plethora of operators in the question, BIDMAS decide which operator should we start with?
yep, exactly. And here also it's called BIDMAS. So if you use PEMDAS or BIDMAS, the same, it doesn't matter. B is for brackets, B for brackets, I for indices, M for multiply, D for divide, and A for adding, S for subtracting, and you start from left to right. Please write it.
Can I ask a question?
Of course, you can ask, of course.
Should we do the division first or the multiplication first?
From left to right, what you see first, you do it first, like from left to right, like for example, which one is first, divide or multiply?
Divide.
So I do divide first. See here. Huh? Which one's first?
The multiplication.
Multiply. So you go from left to right. Whatever you see first, you operate it first.
Yeah, because I got confused. You wrote down multiply first, and in the picture it was written the division.
Yeah. Actually, it's the same. Like we said we go from left to right. Also in addition and subtraction. Like see here. Which one you do first?
Adding.
Adding, then subtracting. Here, which one you do first?
Subtracting, then adding.
Yes, because we go from left to right. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now take like 5 minutes. Try to do this one. Huh? يا ليلى ها hello
Yes.
you done
Yeah, I'm done. I'm sending my answer now.
أحمد
I can solve it.
okay طيب thank you Layla. Thank you very much. Let's check together if you did all the steps correct or you have a mistake. So let's start with Ahmed. Ahmed, what here in this problem, what do you think from which step should we start?
Brackets.
Yes, with the bracket here. Okay, then what is the value of it?
49.
Yes, 7 squared is 49, multiply 3. And then what is the value of this bracket?
Um, 5 plus 7 equal 12.
Okay, then what should we do next? Multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Multiply first. So now 49 multiply 3.
147.
147 and 12 divided by 6. And now 147 plus 2 minus 1 equals what? Huh? La Ahmed.
148.
Huh?
148.
148. So Laila, you checked your work?
Yeah, I did a mistake.
Yeah, what is your mistake?
That after the multiplication, I didn't divide. I just did adding.
Yes, so you need to divide first. You need to divide first before you add. Is it difficult يا شباب؟ يا أحمد, is it difficult or easy?
Because at first it was difficult, now it's easy.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, شباب, just a second. I will show you the homework. 1 minute. Here يا شباب. Here يا شباب the homework 3. And question 1. What do you think, Ahmed? Question 1. Read.
Write this number in a standard form. This question will be 5.4 by 10 power 4.
Number what?
4.
Okay, 10 power 4. Layla, question 2A.
Should I convert them back?
Yes, it will be what?
Okay, it will be 48 and 4 zeros.
And 4 zeros. Thank you. That's the homework you have to do today. Question 3. Ahmed.
4 by 10 power 3. 4 by 10. 40 power 3.
Can you read the question first?
Calculate the following, giving you answer in standard form.
Okay. So you need to calculate the answer in standard form. So what do you think how to do it?
هعمل brackets الأول
Uh-huh.
4 by 10.
And
40
then
by
you
3.
type. What do you think if you use the calculator to find the answer of this one? And then we convert it to standard form.
Okay. 10 power 3, 10 power 3 first, 1000 by 4. So it's 4000.
And you mean you're gonna find this one 4,000, okay, minus 2,000.
No, it's plus.
Then it would be 2,000. Yalla, right to now we finish or still?
Teacher, no, it's plus 2 by 10 power 3.
Plus or minus? Yes,
Plus
it's
2
plus.
by 10 power
So
3.
this one is 6,000.
Teacher, no, 2 by 10, 20 by 2000. Yeah, okay. It will be 6.6 by 10 by 3.
Okay, that's nice. Layla,
Yes.
question 4, letter A.
It will be 1.5 multiply 10 to the power 3.
Here 1.
Okay, 10 to the power 2.
2 ولا نيجاتيف 2 يا ليلى؟
Negative 2.
يا سلام يا سلام، تمام تمام. أحمد. Question
Yes,
5A.
write these as ordinary numbers. 8.8 by 10 by negative 5 to 0.4088.
يا سلام، excellent. تمام. يا ليلى.
Yes.
Question 6A.
3, 4, 10. Okay, I did it on the calculator, but it was in the fraction form.
Let me advise you, like if you do this alone, it will be what? يعني you make each fraction, each bracket alone.
Okay, it will be 40 to the power negative 2.
Yeah, it
and
will be
then we need
0.04. Isn't it? And this one?
It will be 0.02.
Okay, now add them.
0.06.
And now convert it to standard form.
6 multiply 10 and to the power negative 1.
1, 2. Okay. Negative
But
2
there is no
because
number
here,
after 6.
because here you have 2 places here.
Okay, we have to replace it, but there is no number after 6.
Okay, so it's like this, ya Salma, ya Layla. Okay, and 6.0 is the same as 6. If you put it here, it would be 0.6, and 0.6 is not more than 1. It's less than 1, and we need more than 1, okay?
Okay, could you tell me, please, how did you solve for multiply 10 to the power negative 2?
Again?
Yeah.
tell me the number again, the question.
4 multiply 10 to the power negative 2.
See, you write what here? I write what? Talk, huh? I write what?
It's unclear.
4,
Yeah,
yes.
4.
And I need how many places?
2.
To the left or to the right?
The left.
So I need 1, 2, and then خلاص. Okay, see
Okay.
this. 2 multiplied by power negative 3. Okay, I will write 2. And I need how many places?
3.
So 1, 2, 3. And then put the decimal point. Ya salam. Easy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, شباب يلا take 5 minutes. Try to do this. Huh? Okay. Okay, question 8 يلا. ها. Question 8. Quickly يا شباب, quickly, ها. Okay, thank you, Layla. Thank you, Ahmed. That's enough for today. That's very enough. And inshallah, meet you on Saturday. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for listening and participating. Any question before I close it? Before I end the session?
Can I ask a question?
Of course.
When we are going to finish chapter 1?
Chapter 1, maybe like 1 week and a half more, 3 sessions. Yeah, something like this.
So okay, because you've told us before that the math in Excel it's about 9 or 10 chapters.
Yes. And then?
I was wondering about when we are going to finish chapter 1.
Because you know, ya Layla, listen,